If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Snipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you give Ellie a cookie.
Written by Jaden.
Illustrated by Ellie Oldman. If you give Ellie a cookie, she'll want a pug to eat it with. While she is eating, she will get bored, so they will sit down and read a book. While reading the book, she will get happier and go outside to take a walk. After the walk, Ellie will get tired and she will take a nap. When she wakes up, she will want to cuddle with the pug. While cuddling with the pug, she will get thirsty. While in the fridge, she sees some milk. Now that she has milk, Ellie is going to want a cookie to go with it.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeburg's 7th graders and 2nd graders. About the illustrator.
Ellie likes to play Roblox every day. Ellie Oldman has a YouTube channel that is called Epic Ellie. Ellie lives in Germany with her family. Ellie loves to draw and wishes to once have a pug. Ellie grows up. When Ellie grows up, she will want to be a geologist and study rocks. Ellie loves to look at rocks. Ellie's real name is Ophelia. Ellie has 3 names: Ophelia, Melina, Ellie. Ellie likes to cook with her mom and help her mom. Ellie Oldman has friends named Callie, Samantha, and Julia. Ellie likes to play in the trampoline all day long. Ellie Oldman is nice. She loves to play with her friends. Ellie Oldman has friends in North Carolina. Their names are Millie and Danny. Molly was too. Ellie's favorite game is Roblox. She loves to play with her dad and her mom. Ellie loves to eat mac and cheese.